siya that's none other than Jin Bangkol, or otherwise known as Bangs. Alright. So Bangs, this is your second time being the best player of the match. Ang galing mo talaga. So can you tell me, Bangs, no, what is the key to being consistent in your games here at the UVL?
Basta ako kasi, ang mindset ko lagi coming into our games is kailangan as a setter, kailangan pagandahin ko yung binibigay na receive sa akin yung mga first ball. Kailangan padaliin ko yung trabaho ng mga spikers ko. And offensively, kailangan makarami kami ng puntos. So, yun lagi yung mindset ko na dapat mabigay ko ng maayos yung bola sa teammates ko. And that's how I stay consistent.
At yun yung sinabi mo sa akin kanina nung tinanong kita bago nung game at talagang pinakita mo yan sa court today, no? Banks, you're going to have games in the coming weeks, no? So I'm just wondering, how are you going to prepare for that? Paano kayo mag-ensayo? At ikaw personally, as the setter of the team, paano mo yan ipapag-prepare?
Actually kasi offensively, okay na okay naman yung team namin. Ang nagiging problem lang namin actually is yung service receive namin and then yung defense pattern. So, yun yung lagi namin ina-ensayo pag may time kasi actually nag-duty pa kami. So, yun yung inuuna namin pag-practice namin. Dapat okay yung defense namin and okay yung pattern namin. Kumbaga kasi pag okay na yung ginagalaw mo sa court, madali na lang lahat. So, yun muna yung pino-focus namin. And syempre, yung momentum namin, sinusustain din namin kasi actually natalo kami nakaraan. So, binabawi lang namin siya now.
Talagang nabawi nila yan today. So Banks, do you have anyone to shout out or greet?
Shout out po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Philippine National Police, sa family ko na nanonood, sa office mates ko, Base Police Section, Headquarters Support Service, sa friends ko sa Canada and Sinagderayan class, and sa boyfriend ko.
Wow, with boyfriend pa. Alright, Banks, at dahil ikaw ang best player of the match natin, meron kang giveaway from our sponsor, Black Mamba. Here you go, Banks. Once again, congratulations! Back to you, Chicky and Nan.